Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu, and click that subscribe button and just get comfortable on this channel. So today's video, as per the title, I'll be sharing with you all my tips and tricks, yes, on how to put on false lashes. And if you guys have watched my Get Ready With Me videos, you guys have heard me say I haven't bought new makeup. I decided to buy a Kenyan brand, yes, and it's the Joanna K Cosmetics. So in here there are a lot of goodies, but today I'm going to be sharing with you the lashes, of course. So I am wearing one of the lashes, of course. And then this other one, I'm going to talk about it briefly and then in depth in the future. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So you've seen me go through the face bit, yes. I wasn't so sure about the lippy, but we're going to go with it because I'm wearing so many colors and I wanted like nude lip, yes. So let's dig deep into my purchase. Now I bought 2 lashes from Joanna K Cosmetics. So the first style is electric. They are so full and wispy. Lashes themselves, they are so wispy. So definitely they feel so good. For Celeb, they're not so wide, not so full. Like they look like you can wear them during the day, and these are the ones that I'm going to wear. Let me give you tips on what I do when I'm wearing my lashes, when I'm putting on my false lashes, so that you can get the confidence to wear false lashes yourself, okay? So first things first, when you're getting your lashes, I like to put them on my eyes and see if it fits my eye. If it doesn't, it needs to be trimmed, and you trim from the outer end. If it fits great, then you just proceed. The tool that I like to use is this one. It's a lash holder. Yeah, looks like this. Now, if you don't have this, you can use a tweezer. You don't really need this. I used a tweezer for a good amount of time before I switched to this. The thing I love about this is that it's a bit wider than a tweezer, and it helps to really secure the lash in. So this is definitely necessary. Okay, not necessary, but it comes in handy, much better than a tweezer. But if you don't have this, a tweezer will also work. Okay, another thing you need is lash glue. Now, lash glues, there are very many in the market. Some are real, some are fake. If you're struggling to put on your lashes, probably it's the lash glue that is failing you. So this is the lash glue that I'll be using. It's called Duo Lash. I don't know if this is a real product or a fake one. This is how it looks. It's a clear lash glue. A clear lash glue is much better than the white one. Let me look for my white one, because I have both. I have many. I have the one that is black, this one, and then I have this one. It's white, but it dries clear. So I have a variety, because you know, these things can fail you. They can embarrass you. So let's try this one. I bought this one from Dubois. So that's why I don't know how effective it is, but let's just try it. If it doesn't work, I'll go to the white one that dries clear. So first things first, pick the lash from one end and pull it out, and then we are going to stick it. Actually, remove the glue that was used to stick it on the packaging. And then what I have noticed is, if I have glittery eyeshadow, it becomes a bit hard for me to put on the lashes. But if I have like matte, like today it's all matte, it won't be as itakuwa na usumbufu. It won't be as hard to put them on, because the glue sticks to the glitter instead of like to my lid. So I have to take it out and do it again. The second time round, the glitter has come off on the lash line. It sticks much better. Yani, there's a formula to this madness. All right, so just Pima. You have to measure and see if it, this one looks like it will fit my lashes, my lash line without any, you can even use your hands, without any need to cut. You see, it extends a little bit, which is fine. You want it to extend a bit, not to fit your eye completely. And then now we can proceed to apply the glue. I find this glue to be much more cleaner and easier to use. And then sometimes that white one that dries clear does leave like some residue, which I don't like. Okay. There's this TikTok hack for lashes. I'm not sure if I want to do it or not. What I like about the Joanna K Celeb, because this is Celeb Lashes, they're so full. Like, they will definitely give you that dramatic look if that's what you're looking for. You know, I like wearing my lashes without putting on the, like, what's it called? The wing liner nowadays. Back in the day, I used to love a nice wing liner. Nowadays, I'm just like, I am over the wing liner. But what we can do is tight line using the Davis #1 pencil. So let's do that while we wait for this one to dry down. Okay, so you can just go over where you want to place it. You can also go under your eyes, under your lashes, and tight line. This will help you not have that gap. You know, the way people wear lashes and then there's a gap. Yeah, we're trying to get rid of that gap, or create an illusion that the gap is kind of filled if you use a black liner. And also this helps if you have the glitter. This will kind of take out the glitter so that you can just stick your lash in peace. So yeah, now that that is done, I would normally go with a mascara, but I don't have a mascara right now. But I suggest you do, especially if your lashes are full of like eyeshadow. So how you'd know the glue is ready is if the glue is tacky. If you are a beginner, I want you to use the white one that dries clear, because it starts drying blue. That's when you know you're supposed to put it on. And then once it's on, it will dry clear or semi-clear. Sometimes it leaves some residue, which I don't like, but yeah. That's why we are using a clear one this time. But I've touched it, it's tacky, time to put it on. So you put your mirror right underneath you like this. And then you put it on, looking down and trying to go really close to your lash line, as close as possible. Okay, the lash glue is a mess. It's not holding. We have to do that again. Let's try it again. If it messes me up again, we're going to do the other lash glue, the white one. And then go in and pinch your lashes and the falsies together. Wow. But we have secured. Let's try and do this other side. Now that I know the formula. So let's go over the steps again. Take it out of the box. Pinch one end and then strip it off. Once it's off, take out the glue. Just pinch it and hold it secure and then pinch it. Don't be too rough. You might end up messing up your lash. And you've spent your good hard-earned coin to buy them. So let's not do that. Be very gentle. Lash glue is off. Put in some fresh coat of lash glue. And don't let it dry down completely. Make sure you put a lot of glue on the ends, so the outer and the inner, because sometimes that's where it starts to lift. Yeah, I like this brush. And then it doesn't dry down because you close it like this. This other one, it has dried already, if you can see, and then it's messy. Anyway, so this one, put this on. So the thing is, for the end, let it not fit your eye completely. Let it go up a bit, like gives a gap. And then on the inner eye, don't go completely in your inner eye, because if you feel like it's poking your eye, it's too close to your inner corner, the inner corner of your eye, and it will be so uncomfortable and you won't be able to last with it. You'll hate lashes, false lashes, that is. Start with the center, hold 5, 4, and release. Go to the inner, and hold for 5 seconds. Pinch, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. And then for the outer, don't go to your natural lash, go up a bit, like 1 centimeter up, and then hold for 5 seconds. Go back in and pinch with your fingers. Boom, shakalaka. We're done. Can't believe we're done. They look so good. They feel secure. And if you follow your natural lash line at the ends, your eyes might look droopy like this, and you don't want a sad droopy eye. You want lifted cat eye eyes. Cynthia. Let me continue getting ready, finish up getting ready, and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the final look. You can see the lashes are giving my look a whole vibe. Cynthia. I love the lashes. I like this style Celeb. I find that the style Celeb, you can wear them during the day. Yeah, you can wear them to a day event. You can wear them to a date, a lunch date, brunch. Like for me, these lashes are not too dramatic. They're like in between. You can get away with wearing them during the day compared to electric. Electric is so intense. That is for like, I'll talk about electric when the day comes for electric, but today Celeb, I love it. It can be like my go-to lash. Yeah. Okay, I like the packaging, the design on it. I like that it has a magnetic, it closes with a magnetic thing like that. You can hear that. And then what I don't like is the fact that it can get dirty. If I hold it with anything on my fingers, like foundation, anything, you can see here, this is eye pencil. Yeah. So it gets dirty easily, but I like the design on it and I like the magnetic. It just looks really luxury. Maybe she can change the packaging to be like something glossy so that it doesn't get dirty, you know. But all in all, I love the lashes. I hope you guys have found this video to be helpful. Yes, and yeah, we are getting into Kenyan made cosmetics. Yes. So do leave a comment down below telling me which other Kenyan brand you want me to test out. Okay, and I'll catch you on the next one. Mwah, mwah. Bye guys.